Have you ever wondered how the pharaohs built the pyramids? Picture grand structures reaching towards the heavens constructed thousands of years ago. The pyramids, symbols of ancient wisdom, continue to inspire awe and curiosity. Over the centuries, countless theories have attempted to unravel the mystery of their creation. Some suggest divine intervention, others propose advanced technology, but the truth remains elusive. These monumental masterpieces of human ingenuity still hold their secrets close. Join us as we unravel the secrets of the pyramid builders. The earliest theories about the pyramid's construction are as fascinating as they are diverse. They transport us to an era where man's ingenuity was just beginning to grasp the fundamentals of large-scale architecture. One of the earliest and most enduring theories was proposed by the ancient Greek historian Herodotus. He suggested that the pyramids were built by a massive labor force comprising hundreds of thousands of workers. According to his accounts, these workers labored in 3-month shifts over a span of 20 years to construct the Great Pyramid of Giza. It's an awe-inspiring image. A sea of humanity, united in a common purpose, striving together to create something that would stand the test of time. Herodotus' theory was widely accepted for many centuries. However, it raised several questions. How could such a vast number of workers be organized efficiently? How were they able to place each block so precisely, despite the sheer number of people involved and the limited tools at their disposal? To answer these questions, another theory was proposed, suggesting the use of a ramp system to elevate the blocks. This theory, known as the ramp theory, posited that the ancient Egyptians built a series of ramps around the pyramid, allowing workers to haul the massive stone blocks to their required height. Some variations of this theory even suggested the use of a spiraling ramp, winding its way around the pyramid as it grew taller. These theories, while fascinating, are largely speculative. Despite the romantic appeal of a vast army of workers toiling away under the Egyptian sun, or the impressive logistical feat of a spiraling ramp system, there is scant archaeological evidence to support them. The remains of such ramps, if they existed, have never been found, and the logistics of such construction methods are still hotly debated among historians. As intriguing as these theories are, they lacked concrete evidence, leading researchers to explore other possibilities. This quest for understanding has led us to some of the most exciting discoveries in archaeology, each one bringing us one step closer to unraveling the mystery of the pyramids. But that's a story for another time. For now, let's revel in the fascination and wonder that these early theories bring. As technology advanced, so did the theories about the pyramid's construction. It's amazing how modern technology can shed light on the most ancient of mysteries, isn't it? One such theory, brought to life by advancements in engineering and physics, is the complex pulley system theory. Imagine an intricate network of pulleys and ropes, masterfully designed to leverage the power of human muscle and lift those colossal stone blocks. This theory suggests that the ancient Egyptians might have been well-versed in mechanical engineering, using pulleys to multiply their workforce's strength and reduce the heavy lifting involved. Next, let's consider the lever theory. This theory proposes that the ancient Egyptians employed basic principles of physics to move the massive stones. Picture a simple machine, a lever, magnifying the force applied, making it easier to lift and move the heavy stones. The Egyptians could have used levers made from wooden logs, a material readily available in their environment. This theory emphasizes the Egyptians' ingenuity, turning basic tools into powerful machines. Now let's delve into more speculative territory. Some researchers have proposed that the Egyptians might have had an advanced understanding of physics. This theory, while controversial, is fascinating to consider. Could the ancient Egyptians have known about the principles of friction and leverage? Could they have understood the concepts of center of gravity and balance? While it's hard to believe that they could have had such advanced knowledge, it's not entirely impossible. After all, they did build one of the most incredible structures in the world. Finally, we must acknowledge the role of technology in developing these theories. Modern tools like 3D modeling and computer simulations have allowed researchers to test and refine their theories, providing valuable insights into the possible techniques used by the ancient Egyptians. While some of these theories seem far-fetched, they show the lengths to which scientists will go to unravel this ancient mystery. And who knows, perhaps one day with the help of technology, we might finally unlock the secrets of the pyramid's construction. Today, our understanding of how the pyramids were built is much clearer, though not without its own mysteries. The most widely accepted theory today is a harmonious blend of sheer human labor, the use of sleds, and an ingenious wet sand technique. This theory suggests that the ancient Egyptians employed a vast workforce, potentially in the tens of thousands, who worked in shifts around the clock. They would cut stone blocks from quarries and transport them to the construction site. But these blocks were not small or light, they were colossal, averaging 2.5 tons each. So how did they move such mass? The answer lies in the innovative use of sleds. These ancient builders would load the stone blocks onto wooden sleds, which were then dragged over the sand. But dragging a sled with a multi-ton block is no small task, and this is where the wet sand technique comes into play. By wetting the sand in front of the sleds, the Egyptians were able to significantly reduce the friction, making it easier to pull the sleds. This technique was not just a product of folklore, but is backed by experimental archaeology. Researchers have replicated this method in modern times, demonstrating that a small team of people can indeed move a 2.5-ton block with relative ease using this technique. Physical evidence also lends credence to this theory. Artifacts, such as sled fragments and wall paintings depicting the process have been found, further supporting this idea. Additionally, traces of water pools and canals around pyramid sites hint at the use of water in the transportation process. Yet, despite the plausibility of this theory, it does not explain everything. Questions still linger about the precision of the pyramid's design, the organization of such a vast workforce, and the incredible speed at which these structures were erected. Even with this current understanding, the construction of the pyramids remains one of history's most captivating mysteries. From labor force to wet sand, we've journeyed through centuries of theories and speculation. A trip across the sands of time, exploring ideas from the primitive to the advanced, from the fantastical to the scientifically grounded. We've examined the ever-evolving understanding of how these majestic structures came to be. The pyramids, a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance, continue to baffle and inspire us. Perhaps someday, we will finally unravel all their secrets. Until then, the pyramids remain a mesmerizing mystery etched in stone.